Hello everyone, welcome to my channel in Bharti Talks. Today, this is a second class and first day. I will be speaking about daily routine of our in daily life. First of all, we got up. We got up early in the morning, 5 o'clock. After that, I got fresh and took some breakfast, and then I went mandir, and after that I went to my college. There I met my best friends, and we together went in canteen, and we took some tea and some lunch. After that, I think samosa. After that, we came our room, and after that we got fresh, and I sat uh, I sat in TV room. I saw the TV news, and after after then I went my bedroom for sleep, and I was thinking that why I am speaking in a good way and fluence, how to how to speak in public places. Then I thought I should create a story in mind, and I will I will do everything and think about in English. Who is in cooking? I want to thinking in cooking names, cooking products name in English, and everything we should thinking in English. After then, I will command on English, and we should practice daily in English manners and English way. So this is a English practice video, and I will make a video daily, because I am thinking daily in English. But this is my second video, and I want to make a video in daily lives and daily basis, because my English speaking is weak, and I want to make a English speaker. So after that I will teach others how to speak and communication skills, and I am working on daily basis how for speaking English, and I also practice daily for speaking English, and one day I will I will video, and I will connect a group calls, and group communication skills in a very high way, in which influencers and more talented persons will be added one day. So this is the basics level and zero level, and I don't know what is I am talking, but I am talking in a confidential confidential way. I think I'm a good listener, a good speaker, and I'm a good writer. But I am a good speaker also. I want to make a good speaker in an influencer in English. So I think this is the best way for me. And if you watching, and if you hearing this video, you can start a video on YouTube and other platforms where on this platform interested you can speak English, and influence other person to make a video. This is not a video for earning. This video is make for a confidence. So this I think yeah, this video is if you like this video, and so thank you so much.